Since I'm at Handy Manny's repair shop, I'm going to commit arson at his repair shop while setting his repair shop on fire. Handy Manny's repair shop is on fire. Now time for me to get out of Handy Manny's repair shop before the 4 die from the fire. Yeri. I committed arson at Handy Manny's repair shop. Yeri. I committed arson at Handy Manny's repair shop.
Hey, Dark Fog Bowser Jr., who is my repair shop on fire? And why did you set my repair shop on fire?
I committed arson at your repair shop while I was setting your repair shop on fire.
Oh, Dark Fog Bowser Jr., how dare you commit arson at my repair shop and set my repair shop on fire? You know that committing arson is a crime. That's it. I'm calling your parents. And after that, I'm calling the fire department. Now leave my repair shop and go home right now.
Dark Fog Bowser Jr. We can't believe you committed arson at Handy Manny's repair shop and set his repair shop on fire. You know committing arson can get you arrested.
That's it. You're grounded for 1,335 weeks.
Get your foggy body to your room right now. If not, you'll be clouding away to North Korea.